Next up, the China Grand Prix. Watch us cook up a local classic recipe, high-speed style, right on the fire. Let's go! What's up, everyone? We are back in the kitchen for another boss recipe, but first, we have to talk about the absolute statement Mercedes just made at the Australian Grand Prix. The Silver Arrows are officially back. George Russell took a commanding victory to open the 2026 season, leading a perfect 1-2 finish for Mercedes with his teammate, Kimi Antonelli, securing second place in an incredible debut. Charles Leclerc managed to bring the Ferrari home in third to round out the podium. Now, we head to Shanghai, a 5.4-kilometer technical beast featuring the brutal 270-degree snail turn and one of F1's longest straights at 1.2 kilometers. It's a true test of tires and top speed, but before the lights go out, let's break the fire up. We're making a legendary Chinese classic, Gong Bao Ji Ding, also known as Kung Pao chicken. So for today's grilling, we need fresh chicken, spring onions, ginger, and a lot of garlic. And to season it, we're going to use honey, soy sauce, rice wine, and pepper. Now let's get chopping. The plow disc is blazing hot. Time for the magic to start. Once the disc is hot and oiled, toss in the chicken. Brown it nicely, but don't let it cook through yet. Remove the chicken from the disc and set it aside. Add another splash of oil. And now come the veggies. We'll start with the scallions, the ginger, and the garlic. Let's season with paprika. Now, put the chicken back in to finish cooking. Give a good mix to all the ingredients and get ready for the final sprint. Coming down to the wire, we're adding soy sauce. Rice wine and a pinch of pepper. Finish with a spoonful of honey and cook for another 15 minutes. One last step before taking it off the disc, a teaspoon of cornstarch to absorb the liquid and thicken the sauce so it clings to the chicken. Serve over a bowl of rice. Garnished with red pepper flakes and sliced scallion greens. Time to eat. Don't forget to subscribe.